If you're managing construction projects, you've probably heard of Fieldwire, PlanGrid, and Procore. But which one is best for you? In this video, we'll compare the three software options, break down their pros and cons, and help you decide which one fits your project management needs. First things first, all three platforms are solid, but they each come with their own set of strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're managing small projects or large-scale builds, the choice ultimately depends on what features you need and how much you're willing to spend. Let's start with Fieldwire. Fieldwire is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's a favorite for smaller teams or those looking for straightforward task management. The platform provides robust features like task tracking, real-time communication, and plan viewing. But here's the thing, while it's easy to use, it lacks some of the more advanced features that larger projects may require, like detailed reporting or budgeting tools. So, if you're running a smaller project or just need a basic solution, Fieldwire could be a great fit. But if you're handling multiple large projects with complex requirements, it might leave you wanting more. Next, let's talk about PlanGrid. PlanGrid is a powerful software that shines when it comes to document management and blueprint viewing. It's ideal for teams that rely heavily on detailed blueprints and need to manage tons of documents. You can upload plans, track revisions, and access everything in real time from your mobile device. But while PlanGrid excels in document management, it has a steeper learning curve than Fieldwire. It's not the most intuitive tool for beginners, and some users complain about the interface being a little clunky. Additionally, its project management features, like task tracking and collaboration, are not as robust as Fieldwire's or Procore's. So, if your focus is on documents, but you also need a bit more flexibility in project management, PlanGrid might suit you. Now, onto Procore, which is arguably the most comprehensive of the three. Procore stands out with its extensive range of features, from project management to financial tracking, document management, and even quality and safety controls. It's an excellent choice for large-scale projects with complex needs. But here's the catch, Procore is also the most expensive of the three. It offers more customization, but it might be overkill for smaller projects or teams on a budget. Additionally, Procore's user interface is often criticized for being overwhelming and hard to navigate, especially for new users. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. Fieldwire, PlanGrid, and Procore all offer integrations with various third-party tools, but they differ in the ease and breadth of these connections. Procore leads in this area, supporting a wider array of integrations, while Fieldwire and PlanGrid are more limited in this regard. So, if you're already using other construction tools and need seamless connections, Procore might be your best bet. Finally, let's talk pricing. Fieldwire is the most affordable, with a basic plan that can work for smaller teams. PlanGrid falls in the middle, offering more advanced features, but at a higher cost. Procore is the priciest of them all, but it offers a full suite of tools that might be worth the investment if you're managing large, complex projects. At the end of the day, all three of these software solutions have their merits. Fieldwire is perfect for smaller teams with basic needs, PlanGrid excels in document management, and Procore is the most feature-rich option for large projects. But after trying all of them myself, if you're looking for a better alternative that brings the best of all worlds, a user-friendly interface, strong project management tools, and a reasonable price, then I highly recommend checking out the link in the description for an exclusive free trial. This offer is only available through our link, giving you access to the best free trial and benefits tailored for your construction project management needs.